Well, guys, two of the big storylines today. Dorian could be a Category 4 storm now as it approaches Florida, and it has slowed down even more as it approaches Florida. That slowing down means the impacts that we eventually could feel here in North Carolina may not happen until next week. So those are the two big stories today, but the 5 o'clock advisory from the National Hurricane Center held winds at 85 miles per hour. It held the gust, the pressure, and the movement. But as you step back and ignore the numbers and just look at the satellite, it's starting to look more impressive. Remember, this storm is also growing from its smaller size a few days ago. The forecast track, the actual path, did not shift at 5 o'clock, but it did slow down even more. As we head into tomorrow, the Category 1 hurricane is expected to become a Category 2 hurricane, and tomorrow night in the afternoon, a Category 3, then making that westerly turn, becoming a Category 4 hurricane around the Bahamas Sunday, now possibly not making landfall until Labor Day in Florida. But it could also still be offshore at that point. Again, still a lot up in the air, but one thing we know for sure, the humidity dropped here, and it is going to be a comfortable night here in central North Carolina. We'll talk more about when we could eventually see rain here, and I'll show you the exact path this might take in just a few minutes.